Okay, here's something I put together recently. Just see if I can do it just for fun. This is keeping this myself. Worked on this. Mixed it in with working on my nephew's stuff and my brother's thumb drive and all that. And I already had the part done, the top part. I had 3D print where I had printed the base, the blue, in glow-in-the-dark PLA, and then stopped the print or paused the print when it started with the letters, and then switched over to the white, green glow-in-the-dark PLA. And I've had it around here for quite a few months. Just here as a sign, it's just been kind of hanging around. But I've been meaning to want to light it somehow. So this past week, I have printed several other Rick and Morty signs. Just like there's one in black and another one in white. On these, I had printed also a glow-in-the-dark, total one with glow-in-the-dark green, and it's here. So what I did was I layered the two. Truthfully, not really sure why I did that. It just seemed to work better with the light. So they fit together almost perfectly, the prints. So if you look at it straight on, you can't really see it. But what it does, it seems to allow a gap. When I put the LED lights right behind this, you could see the string of lights behind the words. So by just putting the other layer on there, it was also glow in the dark. It added a little bit of depth, so you can see at an angle. It's basically just hot glued together, so it's not real super fancy. But you turn up the back. This is the other layer, and then the LED lights just run across the back one, not sandwiched like it is on some of the other stuff I've made. And then, so it's very simple, really. And then the neat thing about it is that when it's on, it gives the simple kind of glow. There it is on. Oh. Wait for the clock. And so it glows through there without really seeing the lights too much. But what's kind of neat about it, it gives more of an authentic kind of glow, like their logo on the show when it's turned off for a little while as it glows. So you gotta turn it off. Kind of gives the Rick and Morty kind of glow. And try to turn the lights off. Alexa, turn off the lights.
Okay.
Thank you. So there it is in the dark. There's on. There's off. I kind of like the look of that. As close as I can get anyway. And of course, that will glow for, you know, a few minutes, or the longer you have it on, so you can cycle it on, cycle it off. So I'm keeping this one for myself. I'm not really sure exactly what I'm going to do with it yet. But I think it's kind of neat. Okay. There you go.